Welcome to our comparison video. Today, we're diving into the world of portable washing machines. We'll be looking at two popular options: the Bangson compact portable washing machine and the portable washing machine mini. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they cater to different needs. Let's find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the Bangson washing machine stands out with a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, allowing you to wash larger loads efficiently. In contrast, the portable washing machine mini offers a smaller capacity of 11 liters, making it more suitable for small items or limited laundry needs. If you're looking for a machine that can handle more clothes at once, the Bangson is the clear winner here. Next, let's talk about design. The Bangson features a twin tub design which separates washing and spinning functions, making it versatile for different laundry tasks. However, it is heavier and less portable than the portable washing machine mini, which boasts a foldable design for easy storage and transport. If portability is your main concern, the mini is a great choice. But if you need a more robust washing solution, the Bangson is ideal. Finally, let's compare power. The Bangson washing machine is equipped with a powerful 1,700 revolutions per minute motor, providing effective cleaning for larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine mini operates on a 60W power level, making it less powerful but more energy efficient for small loads. If you prioritize cleaning performance, the Bangson is the better option, while the mini is perfect for those who need a lightweight, energy-saving solution. In conclusion, both the Bangson compact portable washing machine and the portable washing machine mini have their unique advantages. The Bangson is perfect for larger loads and more robust cleaning, while the mini excels in portability and ease of storage. Consider your laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.